Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a concept map with the help of Canva. So in order to do that, you need to open up your Canva website first and then just log into your account. And after that, just navigate your way here to the home option and then just type in on the search bar concept map. Sorry, it's just on the AI option. Just go to the home tab and write concept map and then just my bad, it was on the canvas AI option. Just type in concept map and then just search for it, and you will find literally many kind of templates here that you can edit as you like. You can put your the information that you are required to put in by clicking customize template, and then you can customize as you like. So that's how you make a conceptual map with the help of Canva. So thanks for watching. Take care.